Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AGRX. We will take a look at the daily time frame. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but just to kind of set the overall context of things, this one's been in a very big pullback. And in fact, the past 6 days in a row have literally all been red. So the price has pulled back quite a bit. But the interesting dynamic from a technical perspective going forward now is where the price has, looking like it's attempting to try to go sideways. And that is right here at this pink line, which on my chart is denoting the very famous 200-day simple moving average. One of those levels where even if you have a very basic or surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200-day moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, you definitely want to see the price stay up above it. And on that note, so far so good. Like I said, the price is literally sitting right at that area. But that's also an area where a lot of people take note of it. I mean, so this is not some sort of great discovery on my part. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, and like I said, even just have a surface deep understanding of charts, have taken notice of this level. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching the same level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic price movements. And that's what, is taking center stage right now, is whether or not, can the price actually stay above that, 200-day moving average, or is it going to get just that much nastier to the downside? So you can bet that there's longs watching this area, there's shorts watching this area. A lot of people are wondering, in the event this level does not hold up as support and continues to drift to the downside, at that point, next overall level of support, not until down around the $1.05 mark. Now, I'm not saying that if there's a high volume break to the downside, that within 20 minutes the price is going to be down at $1.05. My point is that just really there's not any other significant areas of support, so it very well could just continue that drift all the way down to right around the $1.05 mark. So definitely keep a close eye on those as far as levels of support. Now, in the event this does act as support and kind of gets the price to go sideways and then start to bounce back to the upside, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key area of resistance to keep an eye on any sort of bounce, right up there at the $1.23 mark. And if $1.23 can be broken, the next overall level after that up there at, let's see, what is that? $1.37. So keep an eye on those couple levels of resistance. But yeah, as of right now, at least in my opinion, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is just simply trying to get some sideways price movement and try to consolidate out. So let's see how this one closes the week on Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.